Synergy ParentVUE will give parents and guardians access to grades, attendance, and other school-related information for their students. When a student is first enrolled, the parents and guardians can get an email with details about how to set up their parent account. This will include an activation key to activate their account. They can get this from their school office manager for elementary schools or the registrar for middle and high schools. The activation key is valid for 30 days. Any parent or guardian whose activation key has expired or has not yet been used will receive a monthly reminder email during the school year. If a parent or guardian has not received an email through their school or monthly email, they can send a request to Parent Help at bsd405.org. The Parent Help team will send them the email with the detailed information they need to activate their account. Once a parent has the activation email, they can access ParentVUE by clicking on the link in the email. To log in, click on I am a parent. Click on More Options, then Activate Account to create an account. Accept the privacy statement. Enter your first name, last name, and activation key exactly as shown on the email you received. You'll be prompted to choose a username and password, provide an email address, and complete your account activation. Note that each parent will receive a separate activation key if he or she is listed in our system and has an email address. You may also access ParentVUE through many mobile devices. A free mobile app is available for iPhone and Android devices. Please note that the mobile device version of ParentVUE does not include access to course history. The directions for how to set up ParentVUE can be found in Grades and Attendance on the Bellevue School District website. From the BSD website, hover over the Families menu, then click Grades and Attendance. If you need assistance logging in or have any other issues, please contact us at parenthelp@bsd405.org.